Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to adjust our header's behavior. Let's get started. First, we're going to select our header by clicking on it. On the action bar, let's go ahead and click on Change Behavior. This little window will appear here on the upper right. First, we have the header overlap, where we can choose from three overlap options. And as you choose from these three options, you'll also be able to see it in action. So this one's for the standard, this one's for the floating, and this one is for none. Then we also have the scroll effects. And here you have four options to choose from. A preview will also be shown through the icon's animation. So you have move with the page, you have stay fixed, disappear, and fade out. So feel free to tweak your header's behavior according to your preferences right over here on this header behavior panel. Once you're done, your changes will automatically be saved in the editor. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.